A lot of times I feel guilt that I'm not doing enough, I'm not doing more. I've experienced the 10-day war when we declared independence. I was 11 at the time, and I know like the most frightening thing for me was I couldn't take my dog in the shelter, and I mean, obviously I wanted to be in the shelters. We will always screw up, but we try to screw up less.
This is basically the answer for peace.
Yeah, I just gave you the recipe now.
Thanks so much.